Hello FX family. I'm gonna do a presentation from the beginning to the end. At the beginning I'm just gonna talk about the company, and then we're gonna go on the compensation plan and explain it very thoroughly until you understand. So this is the official website of the company, fxtradingcorp.com. So they are already announcing about the big event that will happen in Dubai on 10th of August. You can have a look at, there's a video on YouTube and so on. So let's talk about the company. So the company is registered in South Korea. So what is FX Trading Corporation? FX Trading Corporation is a global company with many investors and entrepreneurs in the world, already developed by a team of professionals currently in a field of FX, which means Forex and crypto trading. And they created the software, which they call the bot FX, that can do a lot of trading for us. Later on, we're gonna dig deeper into that. So investors make money from mining companies in various places around the world with the following coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, etc. And that is an opportunity to earn profit automatically and gain lots of growth. Then there is a video, and here are some of the events that happened around the globe. Those are the pictures of the head office in Busan, South Korea. Here we have on this picture the co-founder, and that's the investor. This is the global distributor, Philip Han. And here on the right, I think it's the other co-founder. So here some more information, and that's where we come to the bot that I was mentioning about. So the company developed an automatic arbitrage system, and this is on real time. You can watch it on the back office and so on, and they are trading 24 hours, 365 days a year. Then we have another off video here that explains a little bit. The company is doing trades on Forex, arbitration, and also cryptocurrency mining. They have 23 professional traders. FX is present now in 209 countries and with almost 900,000 members. As I was saying, here we have Mr. Yong Min, is one of the co-founders. Then we have Hannah Kim, which is the investor partner, and John Park, which is another co-founder, the chief financial. So this is the official company's website. So new good things begins. So let's dream again. In 2019, FX is already and will be for a while, for next year and the year after, the best and the biggest multi-level market company that you will ever find. So this PDF, it's a little bit updated. As you can see here, it shows 300k members and 180, so we grew a bit more. But the professional traders, they are always the same, because that's the traders that it's available for them. So as I was saying, it's a company from Asia, and they have their headquarters in Seoul, in South Korea, in a city called Seoul. They also have corporate offices in Dubai. That's why the event is going to be there. So this is, as I was saying before, this is the company, what they aim to do, and so on. And the mission of the company is to help investors find safe opportunity in a simple and affordable way. The vision of the company is with three pillars: transparency, sincerity, and decisive. So we seek to work together in each market. We are here for this, allow us to grow every day. We add value to our members. So this is a good vision to have. And the goal of the company is a recognizing human potential, And together we will pursue the realization of dreams with synchronized team spirit. That's very good. FX is already making a lot of dreams come true. A lot of people who were owing a lot of money for banks and other types of loan entities, credit cards, and so on. And because of FX, now these people they are debt free. So the company works in the forex market. The forex market is a huge market, and so on. I'm not gonna get too deep into that. As you can see, the forex market is one of the large, or is the large financial market. They move around 1.7 trillion dollars every day. That is a lot. And the crypto trading, this is where the company does the trading, the arbitration that I was explaining. So that's the crypto trading is gaining worldwide popularity. This is due to the profitability of cryptocurrency in recent years. In 2016, the average Bitcoin rose from $440 to $20,000. So that was a very good year. And it's just going to go up and up because everyone is moving to crypto. So why do entrepreneurs and investors create a network of business that can earn money? So they created an infrastructure project to get a database. So that's why FX was created. They want to have a big database of 5 million people, users. And what would they do with this database, with these users? They will create exchange, their own exchange. That's why the company plans to run for 3 years. And then they will have exchange all over the world, local hosted. For example, they will open one exchange in Africa, one in South America, in Brazil, for example, another one in Canada, in United States, in India, in Russia, in Japan, in China. So it will be everywhere. So everyone is going to be using FX exchanges. But for you to create an exchange, you need to have customers, because you need customers to have the exchange running. That's why the company is doing the compensation plan and the multi-level market part to get database users. So the traders, the specialists, these 23 traders, they created this bots FX, and as you can see there, they invested more than $2.2 million so that it would be a very good, and users us are the people who are affiliates of the company. We can monitor it, we can see it in our back office 24 hours a day. You can see the bots trading and trading like crazy. Okay, so now let's get to the packages. So the company will pay from Monday to Friday, and the company will pay you up to 2.5% per day, Monday to Friday, for 200 days, 200 business days. So you can choose any one of these packages. It starts with $100, then $300, $500, $1,000, $3,000, $5,000. Then you have option of 10, 20, 30, 40, or 50,000. So the smallest package you can have it's $100, and the biggest one you can have is $50,000. Now, if you want just to invest, means you will sign up with a link from someone, and then you put there $10,000. Every day the company will do the trades, and when it comes midnight in South Korea, the company will share the profit for that day. So that could be anything between 0 and 2.5. Usually it's around 1.3, 1.6, 2.1, 2.3. So it's unpredictable, because this market, it's not predictable. If the company comes to us and say we're going to give you 2% every day, what happens when they don't make 2%? Because it's not certain that you will make a profit every day. You can make 5-6% today, and then you can lose maybe 0.5% tomorrow. The because the market, there's a lot of fluctuation and so on. This in the forex market. Arbitration, it's a bit different because there's no risk. You are buying and selling almost at the same time, and you take advantage of the different price between two exchanges. This is what arbitration does. So what happens if you want to gain more? So then we start with network. For example, if you register someone, you're gonna get some bonuses because you bring more people to the company. The company will pay you 6% of the amount for someone that you referred. In this case, as you can see here, there is a list of what you will get depending on the package that that person put it on the company. So if someone brings $5,000, you get 300, and if someone brings 30,000, you get 1,800, and so on. So this is the first type of bonus that you can get if you refer someone. Then there is a second bonus that you can get. It's called binary, but for this one you need to qualify. You will only get binary after you are qualified. So now the question is, how can you qualify for binary bonus? It's very simple. You just need one referral on your left, one referral on your right. It can be any account. It can be $100 account, it can be 300, 5,000, 10,000, it does not matter. But do remember that the first account that you register, you will not receive binary bonus on that because you are not binary qualified yet. So you need to put one on the left, one on the right to become binary qualified. After that, then it's when you start receiving. And remember that the company pays 10% on your small leg. This example right here on the right side, that's the small side. So this means that the big FX on top today register $9,000 on the right and $12,400 on the left, which means the company will look at the smallest leg and will pay 10%. So today that person received $900. Do remember that the binary cap, so the maximum you can make in a binary bonus per day, is your own package. So if you are on a $1,000 package, it means you will receive a maximum of $1,000 per day. If you want to get more, you're gonna have to upgrade. And then we have another type of bonuses, which is a residual bonus, and also the career bonus. The career bonus, you only get a bonus once you achieve star 6. So how can you get stars? For you to get a star, you need to be binary qualified and you need to have 1,000 points on your small leg. 1,000 points is equal to $1,000. And what will you receive as a residual bonus? You will receive for the first level, so each star it's equal to a level, and each level you will receive 2% of what your network is making. Let me give you an example. You have your main account and then you register John on your left with $1,000 and you register Mary on your right with $1,000. So it means after you are binary qualified, you put 1,000 on each side, and then one side is going to be your small side. In this scenario, both sides are the same, but the key here is that you have $1,000, 1,000 points. So it means you qualified for star 1. Then the company paid 2% on the next day. So John and Mary, both they will receive $20 each. So from that $20, you will receive 2%, which means you will receive 2% of the $40. Now imagine you are star 8 or 9, means you will receive on 8 or 9 levels. So each star is equal to a level, and on each level you receive 2% of the whole income of your network. So what happens when you get to star 6? That's when the company start giving you bonus. So if you reach star 6, or for you to reach star 6, you need to have 500,000 points on your small leg, and each one of your direct sponsor needs to be at least star 1. So the person that you register directly to you on the left and on the right, they need to be star 1. Then you continue working, and then you get to 1.5 million points on your small leg, and each side you need to have a personal sponsor that is the minimum of star 2, and then you get an international travel. But the company is not going to give you a Rolex, for example. It's not going to send you a ticket to go somewhere. So when you do qualify for this bonus, the company is going to give you $7,000 on your back office, and then you can do whatever you want with the money. When you qualify for star 7, you receive $10,000. When you qualify for star 8, you will receive $20,000, and you need 3 million points on your small leg, and you need to have at least star 3 on each side, at least one. When you get to 5 million points, you are star 9. The company will pay you $40,000, but you do need to have sponsored directly to you 1 star 4 on each leg. And remember, we are talking about the small leg here. The 5 million points needs to be on a small leg. Then you have star 10, you need 10 million points on your small leg, and you need at least star 5 on each side. The company will give you $200,000. Then we have the last level of them all, which is black star. You need 50 million points on your small leg and at least 1 star 10 on each side, and the company will give you $500,000. So here are some key information. For example, the withdrawal request fee is 5% if you do 1 withdrawal a week. If you want to withdraw more than once a week, you're going to pay 10%, and the minimum to withdraw is $50. The daily gain will be paid the 2.5, so it means after 24 hours that you activated your package, it's when you will start receiving. But remember that the company only pays Monday to Friday. So if you activate your account on a Friday, you will only start receiving the daily bonus on Monday. And remember that the company uses South Korea time. The binary daily limit, as I said, is your own package. The bonus rating will be accumulated on your small leg, so the company pays binary on your small leg. Residual bonus is the 2% for each level, according to the star that you have. So if you are star 1, as it says there, you require 1,000 points. You will receive 2% of what your network makes on that level 1, and so on. So when you do make an upgrade, you will only pay the difference. For example, if you are on a $500 package and you want to upgrade to 1,000, you only pay the difference, the 500 difference. Also, your income, it will only go to 400%, and everything counts on this 400%. So whatever comes first, either 200 days or 400%. And if you do need any help, you can create a ticket on the back office, and the company aims to reply to you in 24 hours. So once you reach 400%, what you need to do is you need to renew, you need to reinvest. If you reach 400%, you cannot upgrade. The only option for you is to renew. If you want to upgrade, you need to do it before you reach 400%. And that's it. So let's join and let's make history together.